Some Swift motorhomes are fitted with a Flexi lounge, allowing the front lounge seats to convert into travelling seats. To convert the lounge seat into a travelling seat, remove all cushions to reveal the travelling seat underneath. Turn the lever on the side of the seat base and lift the backrest into the upright position. Make sure the seat belt buckle is accessible at this stage. To create the footwell space, relieve the side clip on the grey base and close inwards towards the base of the travelling seat. You will find an infill cushion stored in one of the onboard cupboards. Velcro strips run along this cushion and corresponding Velcro strips run along the seat frame. Secure this infill cushion at the base of the backrest, aligning the Velcro strips. Next, take the large seat base cushion and secure to the base of the seat frame, aligning the Velcro strips. One seat base cushion from the lounge setup is made up of two parts secured together with Velcro. Separate these two cushions and use the thicker side to create the back cushion of the travelling seat. Depending on the model, the headrest is either already attached to the travelling seat or stored in an onboard cupboard. If the headrest is not already attached, simply insert the headrest into the top of the seat. Check that the seat belt is pulled in front of the travelling seat so it can be easily accessed for travel. All seat belts are fitted with ISOFIX as standard. Finally, safely stow the remaining cushions in the onboard cupboards before travelling. To return the travelling seat back to the lounge setup, simply reverse the process.